Minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, I hope you are doing well. Okay, dear friends, today I am going to share a good habit with you. Do you know? Saying Bismillah before you do anything helps you keep your intention right and also reminds you that Allah is watching. So whenever you start your task, so first recite Tasmiyah. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most kind. Okay, dear friends, today we are going to review three-letter words of short vowel O. Okay, so let's start and review. Look at the first picture and tell me the cup is hot. 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 Yes. Now do you know who is he? Yes, cop. K-O-P. Cop. Good job. Now look at the sky. Yes, there is a foggy sky. F-O-G. Fog. Yes. Now which picture is this? Mop. M-O-P. Mop. Good job. Now look at the rabbit. Do you know rabbit can hop? H-O-P. Hop. Okay. Which animal is this? Fox. Yes. F-O-X. Fox. Now look at this small boy. He got a fish. So the word is g-o-t. Got. Now the man is doing his job. J-o-b. Job. Yes. Now look at the next picture. What is this? Pot. P-o-t. Pot. Now look at this picture. Peas. Yes. The peas have pods. P-o-d. Pod. Box. B-o-x. Box. The girl is sobbing. So-o-b. Sob. Log. L-O-G. Log. What is this? Cot. Yes. K-O-T. Cot. What is this? Top. T-O-P. Top. Now which animal is this? Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Now all the short vowel sound. Now what's your homework? Do page number 41, 42 and 47 in Ufak Workbook Reading Step Level 3. Do your work by yourself and write three-letter words. Allah Hafiz, Jazakallah, take care.